And if you are doing your 100%, this is the best profession for women.
ఎంతో కొంత చేయాలి. సో అందుకని మేము చాలా ఫేస్ చేసి ఇక్కడి వరకు వచ్చాము.
ప్రజెంట్ ఉన్న సొసైటీలో ఉమెన్ అనేది చాలా డిస్రెస్పెక్ట్గా ఉంది. ప్రజెంట్ ఇప్పుడున్న సిచ్యువేషన్స్లో కూడా ఇది ఇంకా నడుస్తుంది.
Every woman who is working should ensure 10 to 15% of her salary is saved somewhere. Earn 10,000, earn 5,000, but earn money.
Today, our guests are from ICICI Bank, My Home Mangla. So we have the women bankers here to share their experiences on the banking, investments, and their challenges, how they face with the customers day to day, and any suggestions for the youngsters who want to come into banking sector. So we'll get to hear their introduction in their own words. But before that, our team would be welcoming them with a gesture. Thank you. Mangla ICICI Bank manager. Yes, welcome.
So coming to this banking, this thing, I am having 14 years of banking experience. So I started my career with IDFA Bank as in a campus placement. So, and to be precise, I choose banking as my master's. I have done master's in banking. How did I got into this banking interest is because of when I was graduating and I was into my master's in MBA, everyone were choosing their own career paths and all. Then I had to decide whether to go for banking or with the teaching. I was interested in commerce. So from the commerce line, I have come into the banking. And talking about challenges, we definitely had very hard days. We also have good days. Some clients who are aware of the processes and some are who know how challenges are comfortable to deal with and who respect women or any banking for that matter. Those places we are comfortable. And some clients think that we are a normal person. We are definitely a normal person, but we don't even get what respect we have to get, be it in a relationship grades or else in a managerial grades or any grade. Being a banker, to be precise, 60% we don't get what we deserve. 40% is only people who understand who we are and what we are. Example, to be honestly telling, today this was a very wonderful gesture what we felt, because in my 14 years, this is the first time someone honoring bankers. I only have seen different from teaching backgrounds, from ITs, other backgrounds only being invited for such events. First time bankers, women are coming out and talking like this is really something very different. And I have to thank you for this kind of gesture. So this will definitely boost us up and boost the other women who are planning to come into this path and career. And talking about banking career, I would say this is the safest career, because everyone will work for money, ultimately earning money and settling in their careers. Why I speak this as safest career is every day banking will never end. Whatever is the digitalization come, at least in India it won't end, because we still need that cash transactions doing. We still need a person giving us some assurance on what we do. We can't just go to Google, see something in Google and go do it. For any loan process or for any investment process, any banking thing, we need someone to assist. So banking is a never ending and it is a 24/7 process. During COVID, along with medical people, bankers were the only people who attended the offices physically. No work from home for bankers. So this is a career where if you want to serve the society or else if you want to give something back to society, you have to choose this career. Along with the perks of being secured forever. Because if you're in the banking career, be it government, private, any bank, if you're doing your work in a justifiable manner, your career is secure. Second thing, what I would say is working hours and everything, whichever is whatever we have work from home for in software industries and other industries. We don't have in bank, though we don't have work from home or other facilities, but we have an option of choosing what we are doing it wholeheartedly. Few years, I went home at 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock also. Sometimes I go by 5:36. Month ends, sometimes we may not be available for the family also when it is needed the most, because we can't take leaves as and when we need, and because it's based with the client relation. When something we are in the middle of a process with the client, we just can't stop it abruptly and go somewhere. And so we have to be so much balanced. We should be religious to what we are working is the first thing, and also we should know what we are doing. It's not that we are in banking field and we are dealing with clients money, we can do whatever we have and we cannot suggest everything like that to clients also. So what I would say is anything you do it in a proper manner according to the process. And if you are doing your 100%, this is the best profession for women, I suppose. Not even men and women, but women can happily be there. I am the example for that. Yes, I faced, as I told, 60% negativity is 60 to 70% negative and 30% pleasure. But still, I would still stick to the same profession and still stick to the same. We also got opportunities from other sectors, because IBM, Deloitte, Accenture take banking professionals into their teams as a customer relationship. they take us. We can go because I personally have many options also. But still, when you decide to choose, you have a fear of losing. So we see software sometimes whoever it is in top place, it's sometimes losing. Job security is not there. When it comes to that situation, I have to choose going ahead, crossing the path, or else staying back and living comfortably. I have chosen this. So this is my overall experience. And coming to investments and saving your this thing, whatever amount you earn, I would say 10 to 15% from day one of your job. Something we just started, let us enjoy for 1 year. We'll start investment later. Later should never be there in investments. Day one onwards, that investment part should start. Then only every woman who is working should ensure 10 to 15% of her salary is saved somewhere. Maybe you're comfortable in financials, maybe you have all secured background. Still 10-15% minimum, I'm talking, maximum is up to the leverage of their comforts, whatever it is. It has to be gone into the investment because everything is uncertain. Life is uncertain. Situations come uncertain. Maybe jobs are secured, but we never know what is knocking our door when what knocks into our door. So this is the first thing is being secured is first thing, and second thing is take securing your family with your job or with your. Why is the woman coming out? Because earlier days women never worked. Majority of the men used to handle the houses. Now why is because to have a upgraded lifestyles, to also give back whatever we are studying, whatever. It's not that we're not putting under four walls and we're coming out and doing it. Many women entrepreneurs are coming out everywhere. All kinds of women are coming out. So in this thing, you have to secure yourself. So be secured in a kind of health security or else life security. You have to do all these things, and you should also be cautious about your where your money you're spending. Not to trust anything online or everything. Just trust what is the accurate. Don't go behind so much of getting 50% returns, 100% returns, double your money, triple your money. You should not fall prey because most of the women these days, people are targeting who are not having knowledge. These online fraudsters and all target only people who are not having knowledge. So in these things, no, we think, we are saving 5,000, let us give, they'll make it 10,000, give it back. No shortcuts to growth. Be it in careers, be it in investments, no shortcuts to growth. Gradually take step by step and develop yours. That's what I could say.
థ్యాంక్ యూ మ్యామ్. ఇన్ని ఇయర్స్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్లో నాకు ఐసిఐసి అదే బ్యాంకింగ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్లో ఇలా కస్టమర్ ఎవరు ఇన్వైట్ చేయలేదు. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ మీరు చేసినందుకు చాలా థ్యాంక్ యూ. అండ్ నా ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ వచ్చేసి 5 years బ్యాంకింగ్ సెక్టర్లో. నేను చాలా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఫేస్ చేశాను బ్యాంకింగ్లో. అయితే ఫస్ట్ నేను విలేజ్ నుంచి వచ్చాను. నా కమ్యూనికేషన్ గ్యాప్ ఉంది. ఫస్ట్ వచ్చినప్పుడు మీకు రాదు, మీరు చెయ్యలేరు, అది ఇది అని డిమోటివేట్ చేసేవారు. సో నేనంటే మా ఫ్యామిలీ చాలా కష్టపడి చదివించారు కాబట్టి నేను వాళ్ళకి ఎంతో కొంత చేయాలి. సో అందుకని నేను చాలా ఫేస్ చేసి ఇక్కడ వరకు వచ్చాను. తర్వాత చాలా మంది కొలీగ్స్, ఉమెన్ కొలీగ్స్ కానీ ఎవరైనా చాలా సపోర్ట్ చేశారు నాకు. సో ఇక్కడ వరకు వచ్చాను. మ్యామ్ కూడా చాలా సపోర్ట్ చేస్తారు. పర్సనల్ విషయాల్లో కూడా చాలా సపోర్ట్ చేస్తుంది మేడం.
When we have that strong team support, we feel we can achieve anything.
ఎస్ మ్యామ్.
Just a fish play for you all. So you can take one and just answer, try to answer. See, it's just for fun. So I'll not say that you're going to have a tough thing. It's all regular what we face. Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Self-care play. Self-care plan, huh? Plan in your routine. Plan of play.
Yeah. What role does self-care play in your? Because hardly you get a time for yourself.
Yes.
But something most, how do you plan?
Planning for self-care is like, for me, 10 minutes in the morning, 10 minutes in the evening. At least just 10 minutes in the morning and the evening. Those 10 minutes, for me, self-care means not dressing up or any other thing or running, jogging. That's not anything done. Giving yourself time for yourself. 10 minutes, I don't talk to anyone. I'll have a cup of coffee in my hand and I'll sit quiet. It is a must. Though I'm getting running late to the office also, that 10 minutes I need time. I should understand what I'm going to do today, what is happening with me already, what all I have to resolve, how am I going to balance the next day. And evening, the 10 minutes, what happened, what is it with me for the whole day, how am I feeling, any problems, any challenges, am I fine. This 10 minutes giving for a person every day will awaken your inner self. You'll understand what is happening. Whatever it is, my son will keep crying, Mummy, get ready, it is time. That 10 minutes, I have to sit and think and give time to myself. It's my me time. If that me time is not there, that day I feel like something is missing. I've lost. For me, according to me, self-care is giving time to your own self and understanding what you are going through. Only you know what you're going through. Seeing you're angry, seeing you crying, people will ask what happened. But that's only 5%. 95% will be inside you. 5% only will come on your face. So 10 minutes in the morning, 10 minutes in the evening, give time for yourself. It's not 10 minutes, 15 choices just. For me, in my schedule, 10 minutes is what I can give in the morning and the evening. Give time for yourself. Think about yourself. You means you. My son is like that. Should I cook for him something? My husband is. What you want, what are you going through, what you have to go through. That phase will give you insights of what you're going through, and it will help you to plan the next. This planning next will give you a clear route of what. For me, according to me, self-care is this is what I practice.
ప్రెసెంట్ ఉన్న సొసైటీలో ఉమెన్ అనేది చాలా డిస్రెస్పెక్ట్గా ఉంది. ప్రెసెంట్ ఇప్పుడున్న సిచ్యువేషన్స్లో కూడా స్టిల్ ఇంకా నడుస్తుంది. బట్ కొన్ని సిచ్యువేషన్ ఫేస్ చేసుకుంటూ, అంటే ఇప్పుడు కూడా పాత సిచ్యువేషన్స్లో పాత కాలంలో పద్ధతిలో ఇంకా ఉన్నాయి. అవన్నీ దాటుకుంటూ పూర్వంలో ఏంటంటే ఉమెన్ చదివించే వాళ్ళు ఏంటంటే, అబ్బా ఉమెన్ చదవాలా, ఎందుకు అవసరమా, ఆల్రెడీ ఒక మ్యారేజ్ చేసేస్తే సెట్ అయిపోద్ది, ఇంకా ఏమీ ఉండదు, ఎంత చదివిస్తే తీసుకొని రావాలి, అంత డౌరీ ఇవ్వాలి, అంత ఉండేది. కానీ ఇప్పుడు ఉమెన్ ఎక్కువ ఎంత చదివితే వాళ్ళు ఇండిపెండెంట్గా ఉంటారు. ఏమైనా ఎలాంటి సిచ్యువేషన్లో కూడా ఒకరి మీద డిపెండ్ అవుతుంది.
పెళ్లి చేసుకున్నాం కదా, హస్బెండ్ సెటిల్డ్, మంచి జాబ్, డబ్బులు బాగున్నాయి, మానేద్దామా? డోంట్ సాక్రిఫైస్. దిస్ వాజ్ ద ఫస్ట్ థింగ్ వాట్ ఐ టోల్డ్ హర్ ఆల్సో. ఐ టెల్ ఎవ్రీవన్ ఫర్ దట్. మనద్దు అంటే ఎదిరించో గొడవపడ చేయని చెప్పాను. కన్విన్స్ చేసుకుని చేయాలి. ఎందుకు చేయాలి అంటే డబ్బులు ఎక్కువ ఉన్నాయి కదా అని చేయడం. ఇఫ్ యూ స్టార్ట్ ఎర్నింగ్, ఇఫ్ యూ స్టార్ట్ ఇదే పొద్దున ఎటువంటి సిచ్యువేషన్ వచ్చినా we will be able to handle that. When you don't work for 20 years, something happened. If you want to work, who will welcome you? No one will welcome you. I said earn 10,000, earn 5,000, but earn money. If you earn money, you will understand how to spend money. If you're not earning, not everyone will have the balance to spend. సంపాదిస్తున్న ఏటీఎంలో వాడదాం. కొంతమంది సఫర్ అవుతున్న మెయిల్స్ కూడా ఉన్నారు. హస్బెండ్స్ వైఫ్స్లో ఉండటం వల్ల స్పెండ్ చేయడమే తప్ప ఇంకో ప్రపంచం లేని వాళ్ళు కూడా ఉన్నారు చాలా మంది. వాళ్ళ వల్ల ఏమవుతుందంటే ఏటీఎం మిషన్ అయిపోతున్నారు హస్బెండ్స్ వైఫ్స్కి. వాళ్ళకి ఎందుకు అర్థం కావట్లేదు? చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి సరిగ్గా చదివించలేదు, ఇంట్లోనే ఉంచేసి ఇలాగే పెట్టి జాబే వద్దు అన్నట్టుగా పెంచుకుంటూ వచ్చారు వాళ్ళు. వీళ్ళు అలా పెరుగుతూ వచ్చారు. అది బ్రేక్ అయిపోవాలి. ప్రతి ఆడపిల్లకి బేసిక్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ టిల్ గ్రాడ్యుయేషన్ ఉండాలి. చిన్న జాబా పెద్ద జాబా పర్లేదండి, జాబ్. అండ్ అగైన్ థ్యాంక్స్ టు కోవిడ్ ఇట్ థాట్ ఆన్లైన్ బిజినెస్. శారీస్ అమ్ముతున్నారు, క్లౌడ్ కిచెన్స్, ఎన్ని క్లౌడ్ కిచెన్స్ వచ్చాయో. అసలు ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్ ఓపెన్ చేస్తే ఇటు సొసైటీ, ఇది కూడా gated societies లో I have seen almost 5-6 women earning very nicely, very comfortably being at house through cloud kitchen, and they are giving a first chance because Saturday, Sunday, one lady recently started. I said thank you. Then Sunday morning they work with please and breakfast. And not only that, see, దానివల్ల అంత టేస్టీగా అందరూ వంట చేయడానికి ఇండైరెక్ట్లీ దే ఆర్ గివింగ్ ద మోస్ట్ టేస్టీ అండ్ మోస్ట్ హెల్తీ. మనకి వంట చేసి పెడుతున్నారు అనేటప్పటికి ఏమవుతుందంటే వాళ్ళు, if you are encouraging that kind of situations also, they'll also feel that happiness. ఇప్పుడు ఏదో వాళ్ళ దగ్గర ఈ బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్ నాకు స్విగ్గీలో వస్తుంది. బట్ వై ఐ వాంట్ టు సపోర్ట్ ది వన్స్ ఇన్ ద సొసైటీ ఆర్ ఇన్ ద సరౌండెడ్ ఏంటి అంటే that will boost them up in the first place. Second thing, directly from kitchen to my house. I need not worry about place. So again, COVID wala these online businesses, everything has boosted up in a very way. Everyone started earning. Everyone started earning. So I would say every woman should earn at least 5,000. 5 is just an example అంటే రేపు ఎంత మంచి హస్బెండ్ అయినా ఎక్కడన్నా సడన్గా వాళ్ళు బ్యాడ్ డే అయినప్పుడు వీళ్ళకి 1,000 అడిగితే ఎందుకు అన్నారు అనుకోండి, that will break you to not, and that break will carry forward your long lasting గా carry forward అయితే రిలేషన్షిప్ లో చిన్న ఇది స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. సో బేసిక్ నెసిటీస్ కి నువ్వు అడిగే స్టేజ్ లో ఉండదు. బేసిక్ నెసిటీస్ అడిగే స్టేజ్ లో ఉండదు, ఏ ఆడవాళ్ళు ఉండదు. ఇప్పుడు ఇంట్లో నువ్వు వంట చేసి నీకు సోర్స్ వస్తుంది, స్విగ్గీలో ఎన్రోల్ చేసుకుంటే క్లౌడ్ కిచెన్స్ రన్ అవుతున్నాయి హ్యాపీగా. Previously women didn't have opportunities. No, opportunities are everywhere.
See, only thing is the way we search and the way we mold ourselves.
You can, in societies, no, everywhere society culture has become a lot. Start daycare centers. People will happily trust leave the child with you and go earn being in the house. Not everyone should run onto the road or just go to offices and struggle the traffic. Be at the house and daycare centers can be managed well. Cloud kitchens can be managed well. Do handmade products, candle making, soap making. These days opportunities are everywhere. How you make use of them is the major thing. So I don't think there's nothing we can't do. If you tell like this also, one will come and tell go jump from there, jump from here. I have come across this. Nothing we can't do. What a situation we either handle చేయలేని ఒక సిచ్యువేషన్ అనుకుంటాం, అది చేయగలుగుతాం. బట్ 1 day లో అవుతుందా, 1 week లో అవుతుంది. That confidence women should be there. When will women be confident? When she's earning.
Yes, that is true.
When she's earning. ఎందుకు కొన్నావు అంటే అవసరమైన కొనుక్కోదు. ఆ ధైర్యంగా ఆ కాన్ఫిడెంట్గా గొడవ లేకుండా మనం మాట్లాడగలం.
Even as part of that, ma'am, actually, we welcome that case as a platform. A lot of people who are training in the house and where they are not getting people to get to the classes, we are welcoming them. We are giving the floor to see where they can teach. So
Wow.
almost weekly 7 days, at least 4 to 5 days, we are having workshops. We are having like candle making workshop, we are having the miniature making, painting, art, whatever they want. This place we dedicated for them, so that the women who want to use and who can skills in their houses, who welcome here and they are teaching.
That's what.
Yeah.
So with this emotion, when one woman is supporting the other woman, we get that kind of boost. I'm definitely not to praise 1,000 times again telling this kind of gesture what we have today. I am so anyways overwhelmed. These two will have this positivity for next few years, I'm telling you. Because
Whatever it is, you are equally a part of the society.
that equality which we as a bankers which we keep expecting, it's not, I don't think they have to do red carpet and welcome us, but at least treat like what you treat the other those few houses we go, few client places we go. Sometimes you don't even get to offer a glass of water. Sometimes you don't even get to enter the house also. There were days where I stood in the cellar and I did the process of account office. They didn't tell us inside the house also.
Very bad. Because it is
And they-
something for you. It's not for
I'm coming to a doorstep is not because I am desperate or I am low or something. I'm less or
you are
something.
taking your customer as a privilege and you're
I am saving your time and I'm giving my time. Giving more than money, time is more precious. Money can be earned, time can be earned. Giving doorstep banking is not. We are not. So giving doorstep banking, we are respecting the customers. Would I tell these people? Because of the clients we are there. If we do more clients, the bank grows. Bank is growing, you are growing.
yes, definitely.
Be it bank, be it anywhere. If you are working, you are growing yourself and you are growing. If you don't work, and tell. If in your own company you don't work, do accept. So you have to work. When I expect good from clients, I expect good from my team also.
Yes, definitely.
It has to be vice versa. It's not one side battle.
Both the side, if we want to have a healthy thing, then we have to be having togetherness and both grow together, walk together.
That is important. That's it. We are here
So,
today.
any specific message that you want to give to, like, to the people who want a motivation? I mean, it's just not banking. As a woman, as in anything daily life, you would like.
That's what I was telling you. So whatever it is, whichever profession you choose, whichever way you want to, be independent. Doesn't again mean start fights in the house. Be independent means be yourself, take time for yourself, have a self care for yourself, and be financially independent. And always have a dream to carry on. Dreams means you should have something in your life to achieve. That will only push you to go forward. Without anything, just like that, getting up, getting ready, sending kids to school, cooking food, all these things are basic we have to do. But everyone should have some aim in life so that it will take us forward. Is what I accordingly. Thank you so much for this opportunity.
So much for coming, ma'am. And these are the women bankers who are running the
branches and who are independently handling complete banking system for a particular branch. So they are motivation to a lot of people who want to enter into banks and run the financial systems. So finance is the most critical part, like planning or investing or anything. But these are the women who encourage a lot of women to enter into that field. It's not just women; it's anybody who want to enter and take the financial control in their hands and guide the customers, support the society. Thank you so much. Happy Navratri.